Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make faux beef broth. First, let's prepare our beef bones. You'll want to blanch about 4 to 5 pounds of beef bones, like knuckle or marrow bones, in boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes. This crucial step removes impurities and any unwanted odors. After blanching, rinse the bones thoroughly under cold running water. This ensures your broth will be beautifully clear and clean, setting the perfect foundation for authentic pho. Next, let's prepare our aromatic spices. You'll need about 5 to 6 star anise pods, 4 to 5 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, and a few black cardamom pods. Gently toast these whole spices in a dry pan over medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until fragrant. This simple step truly awakens their essential oils, deepening the complex flavors that are characteristic of a rich faux broth. Now it's time to bring everything together for the long simmer. Place your blanched beef bones, toasted spices, and aromatics like charred onions and ginger into a very large stock pot. Add about 6 to 8 quarts of cold water, ensuring all ingredients are fully submerged. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook slowly for at least 6 to 8 hours. This extended cooking time extracts maximum flavor. Finally, let's finish and season our beautiful faux broth. Carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve, discarding all the bones and spices to achieve a perfectly clear liquid. Now it's time to season. Add about 1/4 cup of good quality fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of rock sugar, and salt to taste. Adjust these seasonings until you reach that perfectly balanced, savory, and slightly sweet faux flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.